Hello and welcome back to my video about Python and Flask. In this video I will explain you how you can use the put command in Flask. I'm using put to every time I insert something, so this time I will learn you how to insert a new employees to your employees array when your application is running. So let's go up here and say app route. I'll use employees again. And this time I will add a method. It should be a put, and after that I will create a one to say insert employees, and that's fine. Down below here I want to say post data. That's what we want to work with. The data is coming from the client, and I expect it's coming from a request, and I expect it's a JSON object. The request is an error here because we need to import it from Flask. And then we can go down here, and I want to insert to employees. Insert, and I want to expect what we have inside here. It should be a name and area. And employee ID, just called null, and then I will push it inside in the first array, so it doesn't matter. I just want it here. So the post data here should contain name and should contain an area and should contain an ID. When we have this correct, I will continue. So let's starting up the application to confirm it's working. I will change this. I'll create a new one. New request. I'll make a put request here. Welcome on, and that's fine. And I will change it to. It should be bulk edit, a body here, and should be raw. That's what we need. And you can see we get an error inside because it's not allowed. So I will set the name. You can call it Bob. And the area should be Sweden, SE, and then the ID should be ball. We're still getting the wrong method. That's not correct, so let's go up here. Now we get an error. And expect the name, and we have it here. So let's print it out to say what are we getting out from the data. Make a print here and restart the application. Going down, what we got, we have none type, so we have none, we have nothing from our put request. That's very strange because we should have it. It's probably because it doesn't send JSON inside. You can see it here, and then we send it again. And something better here. Yes, have Bob, so that's perfect. Post data name and data. Let's try it again. And we still have an error here. It's saying we don't have a return value. Yeah, so you always need to return value. So in this case, just return succeeds. Restart your application and then it should work again as you expect. Yeah, it's returning. So that's fine. And we are now ready for the next step. In the next video, I will show how we can validate the put request and how we can work with response code so you can send out the right confirms. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the below in the comments field. And I hope you want to like this video and share it with your friends. And of course, I hope you want to subscribe my channel in the right corner, where you can press the thing to subscribe my channel. And I hope you want to watch the next time, where we have a new video about Flask. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.